Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am going to be unboxing. And I have a box that I am passionate about and that I truly love, and this is my Bookcase Club. I don't know what box this is. I've been getting this maybe this time around. This is my second time subscribing to them. I think like 6th or 7th box. I love books. I love to read. So I will always get this one, I think. This is what the presentation is when you receive it. Well packaged, beautiful books. So a little bit about why I'm doing this Bookcase Club. It is $9.99 a month. You will receive, I'm sorry for all the noise. Oh, that's gotta, sometimes with the microphones, that's hard. You do get 2 books for that price per month, plus $5 shipping. So it's about $14.99, I think, $14, something like that. They're hardback books with jackets, or sometimes on a rare occasion they're a softbound book, but I would say majority of times hardback. They have several genres to pick from. I choose the Thrill Seeker box. You can get the Teenage Dreams, which is more young adults. Booking for Love, they're romance novels. Surprise Me Fiction, obviously they're fiction novels. Strange Worlds is sci-fi and fantasy novels. And the Thrill Seeker is what I get, which is mystery and thriller. And then they also have a bookcase for kids, and that's by gender and age, and you do receive 2 to 4 books for that price. Great for children. I will have to admit to that one. So the first book that I see here is by Lee Child, a Jack Reacher novel, and this is The Midnight Line. You can see the thickness of the book. And this, they usually have the values of the books on the inside jackets. Let me see if I can show you that. $28.99 right there. You can see these books are an easy read. The font is perfect. I've read books that the print is so small that even with my glasses on, I'm straining my eyes. And I shouldn't be reading like that. So I appreciate these are a good font. And this is by Jordan Lyerhorst, and this is a thriller, and it's called Ordeal. Wow, that one looks scary a little bit. And this has a value of $25.99, and it tells you that on the back. Yeah, the same thing. Nice font to read. These books are usually, pull a page up here. This is like 340 pages. I don't know how many pages this is. So, I mean, definitely, like, I've read books that are 600-700 pages, and that drives me crazy because it feels like you're never going to get to the end. This is 370 pages, so definitely readable. I have read quite a few of them that have come in the last couple months. You know, you're stuck in the house. What can you do? Been doing puzzles. I'm puzzled out. I think I've done 4 puzzles in the last month or so, just to occupy my time if I can't sleep, or in the evening. TV is not, I hate TV. It's so boring anymore. So I'd rather do that kind of stuff, read or do puzzles. Sometimes I'm on YouTube. So this type of box I love. I'm a passionate reader. Read all the time. I think it's a great way for young children and young adults to expand their vocabulary and get into reading. Because, you know, they have to read for school. So get them reading things that they enjoy. Then maybe when they got to read for school books that nobody wants to read, that are not enjoyable, they'll be a little bit more prone to read them. And I think it's a great pastime. Fills your day. Sit down with your glass of wine, your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, any kind of drink. Sit outside, sit on your comfy couch or chair, and just, you know, pull out your book. Sometimes I only read a couple chapters and put it down. It's not holding my attention. I'm too tired. I don't generally read in bed. It bothers my neck. And if I sit up and read, it sort of defeats the purpose. So I usually sit in a nice comfy, like on the love seat or in a chair, and then if I find myself getting tired, I close the book and head to bed. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So these are the 2 books that I received this month, and I'm excited to read them. The one looks a little scary, but I won't read that late at night. I used to watch horrible, like, cop shows and criminal shows late at night, and I was wondering why I was having nightmares. Not about, like, that kind of stuff, but I was having nightmares until I stopped watching it. I don't have nightmares. So I don't like reading super scary or like intense books at bedtime. During the day, it doesn't bother me. But so I do have a code down in the description box. I don't recall how much money you'll save, but I will pop that up on the screen when I post a picture of the books. And it is in the description box, referral link and code to help you save some money off your first box. Little incentive from BookCase Club for you to join their monthly subscription. Even if it's not for you, maybe if it's for your child, for an older parent that maybe, can't really get out, but reading will help occupy their day, or yourself. Reading is, in my opinion, a very good thing to do. And, we always have to read in high school and in college. And I love having a good book that I can just keep in my handbag for when I'm stuck somewhere. And, prior to all this, you're stuck in a doctor's office for an hour and a half, or, in your car, waiting for someone, like at the train, or you just pick up your book on the train. This is a great thing to do traveling to and from work if you travel by train. Airplane. I can never read on a plane. I don't know why. It does not hold my attention span. I can look at a magazine, but not a book. But these are great to have. I've already purchased books in the airport, hoping I'll read it. But sometimes I love taking these to the beach, to the pool. There's just so many things you can do. Take a book along with you to read it, occupy your time, and it does expand your vocabulary and your knowledge base. It really does help. It keeps your mind active, keeps your mind sharp as you get older, which I will attest to. As you get older, you don't want to lose your mental sharpness. So I appreciate all of you watching this. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.